Yins Entertainment. If you're new, like, subscribe, and hit that notification. So, today, in the magical land of Yins Entertainment, we are going to be making slime. Sound. So, it says 5 in 1, partly because we can make 5 slimes in one kit. Interesting. So, I'm not going to enjoy this all by myself. I'm going to have a little special guest. So, I think to get the special guest, I'm going to move this box, and when I put it on the floor, my special guest is going to come in. Let's do this.
Open it up.
Yeah, let's open it up. You just read my mind. So, I have scissors, Daniel.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Let's open it from here.
Just cookie.
It's opened.
Finally.
This is the entrance. Oh. Just open it. Okay. We have instructions. Keep everything in order. Let's put these scissors down. Oh, okay. No, there's not. Everything is loaded. Okay.
Everything is just
Okay. Let's take things in order. We have
Container.
testing cute.
Container.
Testing container things. Okay, we have clear beads.
For white things.
A wooden stick. Wait, keep everything. Okay, we'll get to the
These
dye
are
later.
like things. These are like things.
Spoon. Measuring cup.
Glitter.
Yep.
I love
Glitter.
Glitter.
Oh, rainbow beads. White glue.
My God.
White glue.
Another white glue. Water
No,
glue.
this is slime Don't open. It's opened. Okay, it has this thing.
No!
Okay, slime activator. We'll just leave that open.
Is it open?
More glitter.
Nope. Oh my God, I love blue glitter.
So much glitter.
So many blue glitter.
Sequins.
I love blue glitter.
Purple dye.
Dyes.
Pink dye.
What is this?
And
What is this?
blue dye.
What is this?
So, me and Jadiel have decided that we are going to make one slime with everything that comes in
The pack.
amazing. Except we're not going to be mixing the food colorings. We're just going to pick one color. And because me and my brother like blue, we're going to pick blue. Sorry,
Oh, blue.
purple and pink. Okay, let's start. So, we have
I have to
some
do glitter. I mean blue.
white. So, we have the glue and the activator opened by our super mom.
Yes.
So, let's start adding it in. Okay, this is going to take forever. It's already boring. It's already getting take forever. So, let's roll off this.
Do we put all the glue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, let's just...
I just put out the whole thing.
High jump.
I'm doing glitter. Ah!
Okay, you'll clean yourself. Don't worry.
No. Bunny. This is like pack rats.
Hello, anyone home? Okay, a
Anyone?
little bit more.
No more. There's no more.
We're done.
Yeah, there's no more.
This is
Oh,
great.
there's more.
There's so much more in here. Alright. There we go. It looked like a lot, but it wasn't that much. Let's open these up and put them in the slime first. So, wait, let me open this for you. We got scissors.
See.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I just went without you. Now let's add the glitter.
I want to do blue.
Okay, wait. How much glitter is there so we can split it up completely equally? Yep, there's enough glue for both of us. Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Can you do this from the boy?
Gotta make
Yeah.
here.
Oh no! Take it out!
There.
Let's put this whole thing in. Done.
Technical difficulty.
Let's put this one. I want to put
Technical
orange.
difficulty.
Can you put the orange? Is this red?
Yeah. Probably.
And it's all by myself.
Okay. Okay, I'll clean that up.
Hiya!
Cue the music. Dun 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 dun.
Yo,
Okay, let's
listen.
just.
Stop.
I'm gonna put in with. Let's get in our hands. So we've decided to add pink. Pink. Okay,
Yeah.
you can do it.
Yay. By myself? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey!
We just dropped. Look, this is what happened to me in the blindfolded slime video. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it.
Oh my god, it's so light. So light.
Yes. Okay, no more. That's gonna make it super dark.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna mix again. Here, so that.
Oh,
No, what's yours?
no.
This is too
Doobie.
goopy.
Yeah, Gooby. Now let's put it in my hands.
Yeah, let's do our hands for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, give me it. Don't like put it on the floor. 3, 2, 1. It's cold. Okay, wait. Move your hands.
Oh my god.
I need to like.
Oh my god.
Need it. Mommy, can you put activator for us?
Yes. This film.
It's not even like. Oh, okay, that's enough.
Hand. That's my.
Okay, wait, put your hands out. Okay, it's got it. Come on, give it to me.
Hey, let's do pineapple.
Ha ha ha.
Okay.
Okay, wait, put your hands up. I'll need it, and then you need it, and then we both need it.
Oh my god, look at my hands.
Ha ha ha.
I have gloves.
Oh, it's so much glitter, and it's weird and sticky.
Wait, look.
And
Look, guys.
we have to do the slime test on this. Is it
Sticky?
is it good for cleaning up?
No.
Sort of, yes, but not when it's really newly made. Is it crunchy? This is the final look.
Yeah, I need to do that.
So we added more activator. Now the cleaning test
It's getting bitty.
used to never be a pass, but now it is. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss another video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.